Hi guys, welcome to my trades today. And today I'll be talking about the EURGBP that we caught on Friday, and as well some GBPAUD that came by early in the morning. So starting off with the EURGBP, as on our last video, we got the entry here. It was still early in the morning. We got the entry here and here, right? So what happened is when I made the video as well, I did say that I was surprised price decided to shift here. I was expecting it to go lower at some point here. This is a naked chart. So some people use naked charts when they are trading, but I prefer my charts more like this, right? So this is what's happening here. Price came in, market sentiment went positive, market sentiment started going up, and then price was diverging. So it's either we're diverging with the trade or we are in the trend, right? So this was a nice little divergence point here. That's why we managed to get it there. But then still we had to put a deeper stop loss because we still expected price to shift to this level, which again came to be a nice divergence point from the previous day, right? So this was a good sign that our trade is still good and still going to go up, even though we had got in a little bit early there. So Sunday market sentiment opened positive. We're looking for a buy still, so we know we're still good in that. Another nice entry was just here. So remember these prices that are highlighted by these levels. This is just simple maths, right? It's just a simple equation. If you want to get a certain price, a certain reversal price, they're usually referred to as pivot points or support and resistance points. Some people use Fibonacci's as well, so it doesn't matter exactly as long as we catch the trades and make money. So what we use here, these are strong resistant price levels that we know. So like for example, here was also another good buy opportunity to go up with it to get another 45 pips, but then we already doubled up here on this trade, so it went well nicely up as we had expected. So right now it's sitting on around 50 pips actually, so that's good. And then we had a GBPAUD. This was another nice beautiful trade. I love trading the pound against anything because they move and they pay. So our first trade came through here. Market sentiment had closed lower, but then I did not take this trade because remember, I'm either diverging or I'm either catching a trend. So this was not really diverging with anything, but everything confirmed that it was looking juicy. So I left it there, and then the proper trade came in around this point now. So from here onwards, I did not take it because already we were in our EURGBP trade and it was a Friday, so we hardly take late Friday. So I let it go, hoping that if it was still a good trade, I'll still catch it in the trend today. So that's exactly what happened. Earlier around 2 a.m., it gave a nice signal. 1:45 a.m., it gave a nice signal on this candle. This was a nice entry as well. This was a nice entry, but I just wanted the trade to be sure. So consistency is key. We keep on doing the same thing, check market sentiment, follow the smart money. That's where our risk goes as well. So it's the same concept we discussed on the last video and up until the whole first video. So on this trade, it had gone all the way to 100 pips so far, and then now it's just sitting on 95 pips. So it's a 95 pips here plus a 50 pip on the euro pound. That's a good 140 pips, and it's a Monday. And we usually do not catch any trades on a Monday. We usually don't trade much on a Monday. So same concept, always try to trade in line with the market makers. Learn to read the market. Once you learn to read the market, and then you will be able to have the directional bias for the day, and then you already know that, okay, today we're selling or we're buying. So consistency is the only currency that matters. We'll keep on coming, doing the same thing, taking the same type of trades, following the market makers up until we profit on some trades. So today it's still a Tuesday, it's still a Monday. We still have 4 more days in the week, and tomorrow we're going to get something nice. Wednesdays we usually get reversals in the week as well. So the market is forever giving, right? So one trade at a time, two trade at a time, that all works. So as my other friend would like to say, that if it does not make any sense, it won't even make any sense. So this is what we're doing here on my trades today, doing the same thing over and over. Consistency is the only currency that matters. So I'll be back on another video explaining what else we would have taken again with the same method. So I'll catch you on the next video.